LearnWorlds tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about LearnWorlds and I'm going to be telling you how you can use it. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm here on the website learnworlds.com, and you can see it's basically a course builder, right? For creators, where you can create courses, and they have tons of different partners. It's really cool. They have tons of different features, like you can see right here. Got courses, website builder, they've got a mobile app builder, pop-up builder, interactive video, live session assessment builder, surveys, and some other options as well. This is for creators. There's also a for business option as well. So this is their own business section where you can go ahead and take a product tour. You can go ahead and start your free trial by clicking on that button as well. For now, we're going to be staying on the course creator. So let's go ahead and do that. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and sign up, and we're going to click on this button right here, and we can also click button over here, and you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below as well. If you want, you'll find the link in the description where you can click on it. It will also give you a discount as well. So let's get into it. Now I'm going to be continuing with Google. If you want, you can continue with your email address, but we're going to continue with this one. And then we just simply have to add this information. So now we just type in what is our name for our school, and we select our domain name. I think that looks good. So now we'll click on continue, and then give it a couple of seconds because it's going to go ahead and, create a school for us. And now we select a template. So you can see all of them over here. There's some different type of categories available, and you can see a little preview of them as well. I personally like the first one as well. It's quite simple, and it's got those colorful cartoonish look to it. But if you want, you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. You can go for a coaching, customer, NGO, professional, and fitness as well. Let's go with fitness. So for fitness, we got a bunch of different options. So I don't know. This one looks pretty cool. This one is also pretty nice. And yeah, I think we're going to go with the first one because the other ones are more like, these two look like yoga, like these ones. And then this is like martial arts, surfing, and then this one is mostly running. But yeah, I'm gonna go with the first one. And then here you can share your experience. What's your main objective? So selling courses to individuals, selling courses to businesses, training, onboarding employees. I'm gonna go with the first one. Do you have an experience with online training? Just getting started. And how do you identify yourself? I am the coach. How many people currently working in your organization? So for this one, I'll go with 2. And what topics? So since this is fitness, we're gonna go with fitness. If we find, here we go, sports and fitness. Click on continue. And now our academy is good to go. So now we can click on let's go. So here we go. So let's go ahead and create our first course. So we have this checklist over here, but even if we don't, we can find these options over here on the left hand side. So let's go ahead and click on create a course. First things first is going to be the course name. So this is going to be a short description of, decide what you're going to put into your course. So here we're going to go ahead and say this is going to be a 5-day split. There we go. This is going to be a PPL XL. So it could be upper, lower as well. It totally depends on you, but yeah, upper, lower. That would be much better. So here we give a little introduction, and then here we can upload a cover image if we have it. And we're just simply going to upload this image right here. Simple one. We can even upload images from the image gallery, camera, Dropbox, external link, or site template if you want. So totally depends on you. So here we got the template section. We could go with the site template as well. So these are all the images uploaded on the site template. So I don't think we would need any of them. So we'll just go ahead and upload our own. I think this is okay. And then we can either save it to library and click on insert, and we should be good to go. It's going to upload. Looks okay. So now we can click on continue, and here we have our URL. So here, this is how it's going to look like, right? Underneath our courses, this is going to be the URL. So 5-day split. I think this is okay. We could just get rid of it and just say PPLXU or lower. It totally depends on you. Or we could, just get rid of these spaces. And let me see if so. There we go. Or we could just get rid of this one. Yeah, I think that is okay. And then we can click on continue. And then here, how will users, access this? This is the draft, free, paid, private, whatever you want. So for now, I'll just keep it free. You can, of course, choose whichever one you want, and we'll click on next. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So here are the contents. So we can start from scratch, or we can let the AI build one, or we can, upload our files. So let's go ahead and start from scratch. So this is going to be the section description, and access over here. So first, this will be the pull day. And here we can add a whole different section, type of exercises we're gonna, perform and stuff like that. So, and after adding the exercises, we'll go ahead and click on save. All right, there we go. Now we can add another section. All right, this will be section number 2, day 2. All right, so now that we have all of our data, next we can just simply click on, add activity, or you can create with AI. Next, what I would usually do is, click on upload, and here I would upload specific files, specific workouts for those days. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And once it's done, we should be good to go. All right, so this is how it looks like. This is going to be the course layout, and then over here is going to be the course page layout. You can see right here, 5 days. We can click on edit, and we can edit this entire page. This is kind of like our main website, main page, where people can go ahead and check it out. And here we go. So you can see right here, duration, intensity, or coaches unique, all of them, right? Introduction over here, main chapters over here. Currently these are empty, but we can go ahead and change this out over here. So here we can see show, hide, whatever. Either it's still loading, we can click on edit contents and click on save and go into the course outline. I think it's still, oh yeah, it's in drafted. I can go ahead and change it to save. So I should have done that as well. All right, so now there we go. Now they're active, and now they look much better. So we can see everything within this whole group. And then we have our coaches over here, and yeah, everything looks good. Now we can edit it out. So it's pretty simple. You just simply select the section you want, right? So this is the entire section. So we want to edit it. So this is how it looks like. We can change up the title over here, or we can just simply get rid of the spaces over here so that there we go, it looks much more cleaner. Click on save, and next here is the intensity. It's not that intense. Upper lower is a bit more intense. Here we can change the banner. 60 minutes, maybe it depends. So for me, usually one of these workouts goes, well, sometimes even 70 minutes. So it could be 70 minutes. Let's go with that. And it's not that hard. It's not that taxing. It's a simple workout. You get 2 rest days within a week as well. So you're not really doing a lot of work. You can even do low volume, higher intensity type of, training as well. It depends on you, the entire volume, but that's what we're going to discuss within depth, right? So this looks good. Then down below, you can have your coach here again. Pretty simple. Just change the image, change some of these text up. So just simply click over here on each of these logos. You can put the links over here by clicking on the link button, and here we can just simply add the link over here. Either go to blog page, app, social link over here, click on social link, and then basically just paste the link over here, right? Quite simple. So this looks good. Everything looks great. And then here we have all of our main option, right? Like cookies and stuff like that. Then we have our affiliate. This is our course external page. We can add more courses as well if you want. I think this looks good. And then click on save, close this out. And yeah, it looks much better. So now we can just simply go back, and this is our course setting, and this is the general option. Here we'll have all of our general settings, general options. Here we can add label, author's name, avatar, all of those stuff. Then here we have access. Here we can go ahead and select either it's a paid, it's a draft, it's a coming soon, enrollment close, free, private, whatever you want. If you select paid, yeah, that looks good. Then here you can set the price. You can be like, you know what, it'll be 20, and actually let's say it's gonna be 5. And yeah, it looks good. And show as a compare at a rate. So we'll just say it was at 10, but now it's at 5. Yeah, it looks good. So then we have access. We'll click on save. Looks good. Looks great. We have our public links over here, copy link over here. These are all of our links. We can change them later. I'll show you. This is the pricing. Here is the user progress. So here we can upload PDFs, upload our videos. All of those stuff are going to be uploaded over here. These are our course players. Like so, you can select which type of course player you want. So you can see right here, this one has like a little background over here on the left, kind of like the darker version of it. So we're going to go with that one. I'm going to click on save, and you can see some other options as well. And this is the video library here. You can upload all of the videos as well. And then here we have automation options. If you want, you can go ahead and create one. So when a tag is added to a user, then enroll the user to a specific course, and you can create ones yourself. Quite simple. And then you have your dashboard and some other insight options where you can see all of your courses. So it's pretty cool. So if go back, and this is how it looks like. Pretty cool, right? Then we can customize the school website. Already done that. We can add payment and integrate our business. We've already done all of those. And yeah, here we have our website. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And then here we also have all of our user options as well. So all our users are going to be available over here. So we can kick them out, add them over here, see what they are doing and stuff like that. So yeah, there you go. And the price of LearnWorlds is like so. So you can see right here, it costs $29 per month, $5 per course enrollment. Over here, you can see you can you have all of these different options. You can create your website, 3-page website, site template, sell card. All these options are available. And you can see right here, if you go with the Pro Trainer, which is $69.30 per month, everything's in this previous section, and you get unlimited free paid courses, unlimited learning programs, assessments, and stuff like that. So it totally depends on you which type of option you want. But yeah, if you want a cheaper price, make sure you check the link in the description below. You get a cheaper price, and you can easily sign up as well using the link. And these prices were monthly, so keep that in mind. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.